Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and share with you a magical powder that we South Indian use. If you are somebody who's looking for a powder that is so versatile, so flavorful and aromatic to cook any vegetable curry in a jiffy, this is the one for you. Here's the list of ingredients that I have used to make this particular powder. You can make a note of it. You can increase and reduce the quantity as per your likings or the quantity that you require. All the ingredient that's used here has immense, huge health benefit. Trust me, you would not just love the flavor, but you'll also love the health benefit. And when it comes to chilies, I have chosen the Badgi chili, which is low when it comes to spices. You can choose the one of your choice. You would have to first dry roast all the ingredients. While I'm doing this, I also want to mention this flavorful and aromatic powder, which is called as sambar powder, is with this twist. When it comes to the authentic coastal sambar powder, it does not have one ingredient that is rice powder. My great grandmother started using it to give that beautiful flavor. This powder can act as a main ingredient when it comes to cooking any sort of vegetable curry. If you're somebody who's staying away from home and need something that will help you to cook your vegetables in a jiffy so that you have the most healthy meal and you don't always have to rely on the hotels or restaurants or dine out, right? So this will hardly take 30 minutes for you to prepare the powder, and you can store it if outside the refrigerator for almost a month, depending on how moisture free that you keep it. And if it is refrigerated, it can be pulled up to 2 months also, right? All you have to do is add this when you're cooking along with the other tomatoes and onions that you use. That is it, guys. It's that easy to go ahead and cook a healthy meal, and you have followed utmost hygiene to make sure that you make this particular powder. It's a win-win situation. It's health, it's clean, it's easy to cook, and it actually helps your pocket. Now I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and dry roast all the remaining ingredients. When it comes to cumin, mustard, methi, black pepper, these all splutters as and when you dry roast it, that's the indication that it is done, and for you to go ahead and remove it and keep it in a separate plate for it to cool down. Next up, the showstopper, that is the rice. I'm using red rice like every other coastal person, but you can go ahead and use any rice of your choice. It has to pop on a little lightly. If it fumes up, do not worry, it's normal for it to smoke up. So you would have to dry roast it, cool it down, and then grind it. When it comes to powdered hing, you needn't have to roast it, you can directly put it in. We are going to coarsely grind the red chili first, then add all the ingredients and grind it into a fine, smooth powder. Trust me, guys, this is something that you will love, and it will be so useful, especially when you want to cook in a jiffy. This is how it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? It smells amazing. You would go, wow, why didn't I know about this before? Just like we do. If you have not already liked and subscribed to our channel, please do it. Do not forget the bell icon at the bottom, just so that you can get notification whenever we upload a new post. One last time, please do like, share, and subscribe. You have a good day.